Hi guys, this is Nick. It's Saturday and I think it's just about 2 hours left until it gets dark. So I'm gonna try to fish in a place that's called F-Tank. I'm not gonna go into water today. I'm just gonna fish from the shore with my regular rod, but I'm gonna fish with flies, so it's fly fishing after all. It's not a big stretch, it's just around maybe 1-2 kilometers, and I'm gonna try all the spots like in that stretch. We might get some fish today. What I like about F-Tank is that in the place where I'm gonna fish today, it's gonna be very calm water. It's almost always calm water. So, you know, comparing to the last week, it's much calmer all the time. I hope you see me. Last week I broke my camera and it's still broken. I mean, well, there was like a protective lens on top of the lens. And that was broken, so I had to replace it. Maybe I need to get one. I don't know. We'll see. We are almost there. We are almost on the place. It's this beautiful, see? It's this beautiful part of the day when everything becomes gold, and I believe this is one of the best times of day for fishing. So yeah, we'll see. I have this hairy shrimp today. This is what I'm gonna use for now, at least. Oh shit. Okay, let's move to the next spot. Okay, this place looks like a good spot. So I took Polar Magnus. It's my favorite fly, for winter time especially. So do a couple of tries with it. You see the fly in the water? There. Okay, let's do it slow now. Okay. Okay, so it gets a bit windy here. I hope my camera doesn't fall again today. Oh, this wood is very slippery actually. It has, let me show you. You see this? It's like it's quite greenish. So the green color means slippery. Simple as that. Does it? Okay, that's strange. Nothing, no fish at all. This is Polar Magnus I'm using. Okay, so what I think we should do now, I think we should go to the spot that still has a bit of sun left before it gets dark here, and yeah, just fish there. Okay, that's a sound. That looks like a interesting spot. Oh, shit! That was duck. Scared me a bit. What do we have in here? Isn't that beautiful? Yes, I think it is. I'm gonna cast that direction one more time and we go. So let me show you something. This is the big rock, right? It's like an island, and if I just go here, you see there's like the water goes in between these two rocks. So when this is something special. So it's a high tide now, but when tide is lower, you can actually go wade in there, in this area. And if you cast your fly out there, then it's a big chance to get a big fish, because fish is just standing there waiting for food to go in between these two rocks because of the current. So yeah, it's a very good spot. But again, like here, if you want to wade, you go in low tide, because it's impossible to get far in a high tide like now. If I go now in the water, that's probably not visible from here, but it's already a meter or two, so it's too high. I'm just gonna stand here, this spot, and just fish, like cast all directions from here. Let's see if I get lucky. But before I start, I want to put a new leader, because I think it's because I cut the flies up every time I change them. So I think the distance between the bombarda, this guy, and my fly actually is too short now. So it might scare fish. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna just change the line. So I'm using braided line as a main line, because it's very thin, it's very strong, and it's like easy to cast further far. But like on the leader line, I use mono line, because that is less visible in the water. So that's the thing. When I fish with lure, I use braided line all the way, and I don't care. So maybe, I think it's around 2 meters, but I want to make it even longer, just maybe 3 meters. I'm gonna cut this line. One thing to notice, please never throw a line out in nature. Never. Bring it with you and dispose it. Don't throw it away. I just normally put it into my bag, and then when I'm home I can dispose it properly. So I'm gonna use, it's not a monoline, it's a fluorocarbon, that's what I use. Sorry, being not clear. So it's a 0.23 millimeters, 4.3 kilos. For trout, it says trout, so you can't go wrong with this. I'll make a video, promise to do that. I'll make a video about I use 2 knots actually, just to be honest with you. I use 2 knots almost all the time with the bonus knot, which is second knot, but in a different setting. So it's 2 knots, and I think I'm quite happy with this setup. So this is one end, and then I just normally do like this. 1, 2, something like this. Okay, so my setup is ready. Now I'm just gonna start fishing. When I say I'm gonna start fishing, I mean we're gonna start fishing, because it's gonna be from here, from my heart. I also want to try this guy, green guy, see if that works. It's supposed to be also a good fly for the winter time, and it kind of fits the green bottom here. Let's give it a chance. Hey guys, it's really getting cold in here. My fingertips are freezing, so I decided to go home. I might fish a bit on the way back, but this is basically a goodbye for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. And yeah, see you soon. See you next video.